slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Alright you guys, let's pick this up here. As you can see, my hair is looking a little different than it has previously. I've got two tones going on, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do in today's video. I was shopping at Sally's Beauty and needed to grab a few of my fashion hair colors that I use on myself all the time and other clients, but I came across these. This is from, what is it, Suavecita. I've never seen these before. I did pick up like 6 different shades. These are the 2 that I'm going to be using today, Muse and Whirlwind. And if you can see by my hair, I think it turned out pretty cool. If you want to see how these all go on, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, I already have kind of my hair split. As you can see, it is going straight down the middle. Let me spin you around. You can see that I have it going split down the back. This side is kind of ponytailed off and this side is just laying. I have my 2 bowls on this side. We're going to be doing the Whirlwind silver kind of color. And on this side, we're going to be doing the Muse pink. And I think with the bit of purple that I have in there, it might go purpley into pink and a darker silver into a lighter silver. I'm not sure. That is just my prediction. Again, these are the colors from Suavecita. This is their semi-permanent hair color, Whirlwind and Muse. You know we gotta get our gloves on. And we're just gonna start. I'm gonna start with the pink side with Muse. And we'll speed this up and I'll just go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts.
Pink is in. Now we're gonna move on to the Whirlwind, which is this silver gray kind of color.
You're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
This is what we're looking like right now. I think it's gonna turn out pretty cool actually. I think this gray silver color is really gonna turn out, and I think this is gonna be like a purpley into a pink. Kind of excited. I will leave this on for probably half an hour to 45 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright you guys, I ended up leaving the color on my hair for an hour. And I gotta say, I love it. The pink Muse shade, I was really expecting my purple that I had from using the Arctic Fox Girls Night to come through my roots a lot more. I'm pretty stoked. Let's pull you in a little bit closer to have a better look. The pink side, oh my goodness. This pink side looks amazing. Look at that. Yes, I am all for that. And the silver side, it took so well as well. I'm so excited. Okay, I also like retouched up my makeup here. I did a gray eye and a pink eye. This color, I don't know you guys, I am pretty stoked to have come across the, what is it, the Suavecita hair color right here. Whirlwind and Muse. Very excited. It is the complete split color, so I don't ever wear my hair split down the middle, and my bangs don't even want to go like that. So we're not going to do that. I will show you that it is split down the middle, but I'm more of a side swept bang kind of girl myself. I like the big whoop-de-whoop in the bang there. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Anyways, that was so much fun. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me. I have been changing my hair quite a bit. I think I'm gonna keep it with this for a while. I really like it. I think it turned out beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this? If you are looking for some alternative colors to Arctic Fox and the punky color, Manic Panic, all of that, definitely try the Suavecita. I do have a bunch more colors that once this fades out, maybe I'll do 2 more colors. We'll see. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this brand. Anyways, guys, if you're not already a part of the Muse Beauty family, head down there and hit subscribe. Also down there, you'll see the little notification bell. So turn that on if you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.